Good morning, everyone. So this is day 2 of the 30-day transformation series, and I was so excited that I could barely get any sleep last night. Now, talking about sleep, it is one of the topics that has really intrigued me over the years, and I always used to wonder how many hours of sleep do we actually need. And trust me, I've read so many articles about it, and everyone had their own opinion. Some would say 6 hours, some would say 8 hours. But eventually I realized that in order to find the answer to this question, you first need to understand how we actually fall asleep and how it affects our body. Now, when you think of sleeping, think of it in terms of waveforms. So you don't just fall into deep sleep suddenly. It actually takes us quite a bit of time, and we slowly go into deep sleep. Once we are there, we stay there for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we again come out of it. And that whole process takes around an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on person to person. But this cycle, it keeps on repeating again and again, and that's how we're able to sleep in terms of cycle. Now, I for one feel the most fresh when I wake up in around 6 hours 30 minutes, and that in 6 hours 30 minutes I'm able to wake up automatically. I don't need an alarm, I don't need anything, and I feel so fresh and so relaxed. So I realized that my sleep cycle might be around 1 hour 37 minutes or something like that. So try to find your own sleep cycle, try to do some hit and trial and see what are those days when you wake up and you feel the most fresh. You feel like you woke up on your own even if you did not have an alarm. And if you're able to do that, then your body would be rejuvenated. Also, before you fall asleep at night, do make sure that you are getting enough nutrition, because your body is going to recover all throughout the night. And so you need to make sure that you have sufficient amount of protein in your diet before going to bed. So what I like to have is some casein protein. You can either go for the supplement, or if you don't have access to supplements, you can go the route that I am taking, which is basically have milk or cottage cheese before you fall asleep, and that way your body will recover throughout the night and you'll get a good amount of growth hormone release in your body that will help you build up some muscles and lose the fat at the same time. So enough yarn for today. Let me just call Abhishek and Akshay, because we need to search for a gym, because we haven't had a gym membership in roughly a year now. So see you at the gym.
What is up, guys? So day 2 of our program. Yesterday we did the workout at the park, and today we're going to the gym. So without wasting any time, let's start. First part we have like the warm-up, which includes push-up, pull-ups and mobility drills. We'll do some of the individual warm-up as well for our like individual muscle joints and muscle groups. And so overall, this is the main portion of the warm-up exercises, includes push-ups, pull-ups and mobility drills. So we have chest and triceps as one muscle group part. These are complementary muscle groups, and then we have back and biceps, which are also complementary. So what we are doing basically here is we are familiarizing our muscles back to the weights we used to lift post lockdown. Like a year or so we did workout all of us together. So we are familiarizing our weights to that threshold, and then later we have cardiovascular exercises, which includes jumping jacks, burpees and mountain climbers. Like yesterday we realized that none of us have the cardiovascular strength, which is as important as your physical and mental strength. So including that into our workout, which is very important. So without wasting any time, let's get to the gym.
Alright guys, just got home from the gym and had another exhausting yet totally fun workout with Abhishek. Unfortunately, Akshay wasn't able to join us today because he had to go to his office, but he has committed that he will be working out in the evening, so that's good. Apart from that, we had to look for like 4 or 5 options to get a gym membership because we wanted to make sure that we have a place where we can really move, it's not too crowded. Not just because of corona, but overall we need the breathability when you're working out. So we finally finalized a place where they even surprisingly allowed us to film. So we are going to be filming more and more videos in the future, and I'm just super excited. And with this guys, I bid you guys adieu. That is it for today's video. Please do let me know if you liked it, if there's something you'd like me to do differently. This is really new for me, so any feedback from your end is more than welcome. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.